water bottles. That nigga smell like a nuclear bomb with a rainforest ring. That nigga went to jail for trying to kidnap kids in an ice cream truck with a Xondo hat. That nigga used a knife for an art competition. That nigga won the lottery for being the tallest man alive. That nigga was born inside an Ox studio booth with a nose ring. That nigga armpits made out of agreement shakes. That nigga used a toilet to shit on explosive bombs. That nigga thought Real the Young OG was a caveman. That nigga tried to do a loyalty test with a middle finger. That nigga ugly as shit for going to body. This nigga ugly as shit for going to bitch ass nigga. That went to fuck on your bitch ass. This nigga ugly as shit. This nigga snapped his fingers and disintegrated came back and broke the Ace time machine. This nigga retarded as shit. That nigga went to the Area 51 and came out with an alien tattoo on his chin. That nigga ugly as shit. That nigga weird as fuck. That nigga ugly as shit. Fuck on your bitch ass. This nigga ugly as shit. That nigga
in the morning, booty ass nigga, and then got knocked out by a
fuck. That nigga got burned alive by an Arab. That nigga ugly as shit. Fuck on your bitch ass. This nigga ugly as shit. Your ugly ass a bitch ass nigga. This nigga ugly as shit. This nigga mama gay cricket. This nigga what? Bro, this nigga's ass. I don't even know what this nigga's saying. No type of jokes. This nigga's nipples are scared as